How's it going, good friends? Brian from Apex Detail here. I have learned that our beloved TAC Moonlight will be going up in price, unfortunately. However, there is good news. From now until that happens, beginning of the new year, if you use the code below, not only will you get it for the original price, you will get it for a discounted price. For those not familiar with TAC Moonlight, the video will start shortly. TAC Systems Moonlight coating, $49.99. It can be used as a topper. It can also be used as a standalone source of protection for your car, truck, or motorcycle, and will last up to 9 months. Contains over 25% SiO2. Application is very easy, and I do have a ton of videos showing application. Spread it out onto a panel or the surface you're trying to protect. You can protect all surfaces on a car. Paint, chrome, plastic trim, you name it, headlights, taillights. Spread it out in the panel and then do a crisscross pattern to ensure you get a nice, thin, yet even layer on your car. A little bit goes a long way. This little bit here will easily do the whole surface of this hood. Protect yourself when you're using a product like this, such as nitrile gloves and a mask. And when it comes to your towels, if you can't put them in a bucket with ½ ounce to an ounce of power clean and water, and they air dry, you may want to downgrade them to maybe an interior towel or engine bay compartment. Make sure the surface you're trying to protect is properly prepared, meaning it's cleaned properly, washed, clayed, decontaminated, at least polished. This car has gone through all of that, and I look forward to showing you the finished product after we protect all surfaces, including chrome, plastic trim, and wheels. Wiping the product off is easy. By the time you're finished with a larger panel like the roof, or the trunk, or the hood, come back to where you started and start to wipe off the transfer solution that leaves the SiO2 behind on the panel to protect it. I'll switch to a first-person view of applying and removing the product. This way you get to see what it looks like. This is an oil-based SiO2 coating. And after a few short minutes, it's time to buff off, and you can see just how quickly, with just one swipe, it wiped off. User-friendly. I favor it for not only what it can do to bridge the gap between sealants and entry-level coatings, but what it can do for plastic trim is amazing. Also, very effective on headlights, taillights, parking lights. chrome, aluminum, grill areas, piano finished, say on the A-pillars or here right in the middle of the grill itself, and all of the emblems. And don't forget those wheels, any type of wheel. And one more quick example for what it can do for not only just trashed, faded plastic trim, but trim on a car that's taken care of, it can really turn around and protect as well. And when we're all finished, and we're just starting to cure, as a day or two goes by and the SiO2 sets and cures, it'll get even slicker and shinier. But the surface on the Subarus here, thin clear coat, it's soft clear coat, and getting it to look like this, it takes a special product and a lot of preparation. That will bring us to the final thought segment of the video. A slight tweak is being made to the original formula, making it a little bit more nozzle friendly to be able to spray. Hence, they might be shipping in new containers as well. Then that will drive up the price. So until then, use that code below and not only get it for the original price, but for a discounted price. If you're not quite familiar with TAC and you want to see more than what I showed in the video, I do have the product showcased and also up against Turtle Wax Seal and Shine, which was a great head-to-head battle. Check that out. Until the next video, guys, catch you later. And if you are enjoying the content, please be sure to subscribe, like the videos, share them, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when we have new videos available.